Hello there. So I guess this one's a little bit tricky. We're asked to consider the following equilibrium, and what the heck's going to happen in equilibrium? What do we know about it? Well, we do know it's KEQ. So if we look at its KEQ, we can see that it is a relatively large number. This is a positive number. So what do we know about KEQ? Well, we know that it is going to be the concentration of the products, and I'll just put a P here to represent products, divided by the concentration of the reactants. So what does it mean if we have a rather large KEQ? Which one of these do you think is bigger, the top or the bottom? Well, hopefully you'll be able to surmise that if we have a big number on the numerator, that is going to give us a big KEQ, because that would mean we'd have a smaller number, and a big number divided by a small number actually makes the number, the KEQ, even larger. So we know which is going to be favored then. We know that this equation, this equilibrium, is favored to the right. So what does that tell us if the products are favored? So we can start off and going, okay, so I've logicked out that we want products are favored. Okay, so this says products are favored, so it could be that one. And it does say this one, products are favored. Okay, so it could be that one. We know that it's going this way. So now, what do we know? Well, the stronger acid is going to shift the equilibrium to the other side. So looking now at these, which is the acid? So if I look at the first one, okay, no H's, so that's got to be a base, and this must be an acid. If I look at this, oh, this must be the acid, and this must be the base. So what do we know? The strongest acid is going to shift it to the other side. It's going to drive that reaction forward, because our weaker acid is only going to try and push it back a little ways. So we thus should be able to determine that our stronger acid must be this here. So knowing that, we see that is here. It says it is the stronger acid. The products are favored. All these points, 3 points we've come into agreement on, so that should hopefully lead you now to question C. Few things to consider. One of the things about Chem 12 multiple choice questions, they're not simple. They are going to be asking you about several different concepts in one. So just a short video. Hope that helps.